Stop wasting money on expensive software. In this video, I am revealing 5 AI tools that can completely replace 5 paid apps, and the best part, some are even free or way cheaper than what you're paying now. Stay tuned, because these tools will save you hundreds of dollars a month. Hi, welcome back to AI Profit Lab, your go-to channel for AI tools that save time and make money. Software subscriptions are expensive, but thanks to AI, many of these apps now have smarter, faster alternatives. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that replace 5 common paid software apps, including design tools, writing tools, and more. AI is changing the way we work, create, and automate tasks. These tools are beginner-friendly and can be used immediately to save money or start a business. Tool number 1. ChatGives replaces paid writing tools. Example, Grammarly, Jasper.ai. Use Chat for blog posts, social media captions, emails, fast, accurate, flexible. Tool number 2. Canva AI gives replaces paid design tools. Example, Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Canva AI can generate logos, banners, social media posts. No advanced design skills required. Tool number 3. Pictory AI gives replaces paid video editors. Example, Camtasia, Final Cut Pro. Turns scripts into videos automatically. Great for faceless YouTube content. Tool number 4. Murph AI gives replaces paid voiceover software. Example, Adobe Audition. Professional voiceovers. AI voiceovers with multiple accents and styles can narrate your videos or ads. Tool number 5. Runway AI gives replaces paid image, video editing tools. Example, After Effects, Premiere Pro. High-powered video and image editing with creative effects. Easy to create professional-looking content. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on software subscriptions. AI tools often save hours of work. Many tools offer free or trial versions. To get started, combining these tools can replace a full suite of paid apps for your business or YouTube workflow. These 5 AI tools are a game changer for creators, entrepreneurs, and anyone tired of paying for software. You can save money, work faster, and even start making money with them. Comment below which tool you're going to try first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more AI tools and money-making tutorials every week.